Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to work in our September journal. So I need you to get your September journal, a pencil, and crayons, please. And we are going to turn to the next available page. Mrs. Hensley's got all of hers right here together. And we need to go to the next available page. And the next available page, remember I did a cupcake, and the next page is right here. Don't just open up your book and go to the back. Okay, we're doing it in order. So my next available page is right here. Okay? Okay, so first thing you're going to do in your September journal is write the date. Mrs. Hensley has written the date here. It is 9-14-20, or the abbreviation of September is SEPT period 14, 2020, or the entire September SEPTEMBER, finger space, 14, 2020. If you need to push pause, you may do so. But Mrs. Hensley is going to go ahead and write her date while I'm holding this up. I'm going to write 9-14-20. And now I am going to draw my picture. Let's see what I'm going to draw. Remember, no laughing at Mrs. Hensley's drawing. No laughing. No laughing. And it might not look like what you have if you have one, and it doesn't look like Mrs. Hensley's either. Okay. This is a swimming pool in some grass because it's an above ground swimming pool with clouds in the sky and a sun. So I'm just going to put swimming pool as my word. W-S-W. I swim pull, ooh, pull. Okay, Mrs. Hensley wrote the sounds that she heard. Swimming, pull. And I'm going to color my swimming pool. I'm going to start with my yellow for my sun. You can probably hear Mrs. Hensley's dogs in the background. They are driving me, well, one of them is driving me crazy because it's Mackenzie, and she likes to bark all the time when she's outside. I tried to get her to go inside, but she chose to come outside because she wants to be with Mrs. Hensley. So, there's that, right? Okay, I went ahead and colored my sun. Now I'm going to color my swimming pool, and this swimming pool is going to be blue. So I'm going to trace with my blue because that's what I like to do because I color better when I trace. And you probably will too. And we're going to do this journal today, but guess what? Tomorrow, friends, you get to do it all on your own without Mrs. Hensley doing a journal page with you. Okay? You're going to do it on your own. That will be fun because guess what? Mrs. Hensley doesn't have to always do it with you. You can do it because you've learned, right? Okay, and then I'm going to color. I drew some grass, so I'm going to go ahead and color my grass nice and pretty. Grass is nice and pretty. My grass. Okay, here is my grass and my swimming pool and my sun and my clouds. And I probably should have put a little bit of sky up there, right? Because the clouds are in the sky. So Mrs. Hensley probably should have colored the sky. A little bit of the sky. And I'm not doing my best. If I weren't videoing, Mrs. Hensley's would look so much better than this. But since I'm videoing, it's going to take too much time. So just know that you can't rush through it. Okay, there is my swimming pool. Now I'm going to take a picture of it and send it to Mrs. Hensley. So when you are finished with your journal, make sure your date is up there. Make sure you have listened to the sound you've heard. Not an adult, not a sibling, which is a brother or sister. You listen to the sounds you hear. Okay? Mrs. Hensley did not spell this correctly. Is that okay? Yes, it's okay. You know why? Because Mrs. Hensley listened to the sound she heard. She did not spell it correctly, and that's okay. And it's okay if you guys don't spell it correctly. I just want to make sure that you are listening to the sounds that you hear. Okay? I'm going to get my iPad. I'm going to take a picture of this and submit it to Mrs. Hensley. Remember, click the Add Response button, take a picture, put it where Mrs. Hensley's journal page, where you're supposed to put your journal page, and don't forget to hit the check mark button. Make sure you're doing your really good job. Okay? Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.